Luna, the little black kitten, jumps over the garden wall under the full moon. This is her story. Luna lives in a small house with a pretty garden. Every night, she goes out to explore while everyone sleeps. The stars shine in the dark sky. Luna loves the night. Luna is a very curious kitten. She wants to know everything about everything. Tonight, she chases a firefly between the flowers. Luna jumps, runs, and plays alone. Her little bell goes ring, ring, ring. On the other side of the garden, there is an old house. It is big, gray, and very quiet. Nobody has lived there for many years. Its windows are always dark. Luna watches it from the wall every night. The neighborhood cats talk about that house. They say strange things happen there at night. They say it is better never to go inside. But Luna does not know if it is true. Tonight, the old house looks different. The moon shines on its wooden door. The wind moves the tall grass in the garden. Luna tilts her head and watches carefully. Something catches her attention. Everything is very quiet tonight. Too quiet, thinks the little kitten. The crickets do not sing and the wind does not blow. Her black ears slowly stand up. Luna waits very still, without making a sound. Suddenly, a strange sound comes from the old house. Oh, oh. Luna feels a little scared, but she also feels very curious. The sound comes again louder. Oh, oh, oh. It comes from an open window of the house. Luna looks at the window with very big eyes. What can make such a strange sound? Luna's black fur stands on end. Her little bell trembles softly. Ring, ring. Her whiskers point toward the old house. Her little paws are cold with fear, but she cannot stop looking. Luna imagines a big hairy monster, a monster with 1,000 enormous teeth. Maybe it lives inside the old house. No, better not to think about that. Then Luna sees something in the window. A small white light moves inside. The light dances slowly from side to side. Luna opens her golden eyes very wide. What is that mysterious light? Luna looks back at her house for a moment. Her warm little bed is waiting there. She can go back and sleep peacefully all night. Nobody will know she was scared. But Luna is a brave little kitten. Her curiosity is bigger than her fear. She wants to know what is in the old house. She takes a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. And she walks slowly toward the door. Luna pushes the old door with her little paw. The door opens with a long creak. The kitten steps into the darkness, one paw at a time. Inside, everything is dark and silent. There is gray dust everywhere. Cobwebs hang from the ceiling like curtains. Luna walks very slowly and carefully. Her little paws make no sound at all. The moonlight comes in through the window. The furniture sleeps under white sheets. They look like big, quiet ghosts. Luna looks at them a little scared, but they are only old chairs and tables. Luna walks between the covered furniture. Her paws leave little prints in the dust. 1, 2, 3 for little prints. The house is much bigger on the inside. An old staircase goes up into the darkness. It creaks with the wind. Creak, creak, creak. Luna puts one paw on the first step. She thinks twice and stays downstairs. The sound does not come from up there. In a corner there is a very old clock. It stopped many years ago. Next to it rests a piano covered in dust. This house keeps many old stories. Suddenly, the sound comes again. Oh, oh. Now it is very, very close. Luna freezes like a statue. Her ears point toward the big living room. Something glows at the end of the darkness. A soft white light floats in the room. The light comes closer and closer to Luna. The kitten closes her eyes. What can it be? Luna runs to hide behind an armchair. It is an old armchair with a white sheet. The kitten makes herself very, very small. Only her ears peek out on one side. Her heart beats at full speed. The white light dances in the air of the room. It goes up and down like a soft feather. It leaves little sparkles wherever it goes. It is a pretty and mysterious light at the same time. It is a little cold in the room. Luna trembles behind the old armchair. Her little bell rings softly. Ring, ring. The kitten holds it with her paw. Shoo, little bell, they will hear us. The light stops in the center of the room. It stays still, floating in the air. It seems to be waiting for something special. Or maybe it is looking for someone. The whole house holds its breath. Luna peeks with one little golden eye. The white light shines in her curious eye. It is round and soft like a little cloud. It does not look like a monster with 1,000 teeth. But Luna is still a little scared. Slowly, the light floats toward the armchair. It gets closer and closer to Luna. The kitten does not know if she should run or stay. She closes her eyes very tight and waits. The light stops right in front of her. It is a tiny little ghost, and he is crying. His name is Cloudy, and he is very lonely. He does not want to scare anyone. He only wants a friend. Cloudy tells his story with a soft voice. He has lived alone in the house for years. There was a family with happy children before. But one day they all moved far away, and Cloudy was left all alone. Nobody ever visits the old house. Nobody plays with Cloudy or talks to him. The little ghost spends his nights counting stars. But the stars do not know how to play. His oooh is not to scare anyone. It is his way of singing when he is sad. Cloudy sings so he does not feel so alone. Luna listens with her eyes full of tenderness. Now she is not scared at all. Luna comes closer and gives him her paw. She dries Cloudy's shiny little tears. I can be your friend, says the kitten. Cloudy's blue eyes shine with joy. It is his first friend in many years. The two play hide and seek among the sheets. Cloudy hides inside the old piano. The keys make a sound, and they find him fast. Luna laughs, and the little ghost laughs with her. The old house fills up with laughter. Now Luna visits Cloudy every night. They play together under the light of the moon. Sometimes, what seems scary only needs a friend.